Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Video title is guys how to solve mobile data problem guys. Mobile data problem guys you want to solve. So as you can solve guys your mobile network problem guys. You want to reset your mobile network problem. So guys you can reset your mobile network problem. So well, let's see how to solve mobile network problem. So I first of all guys open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come in your system setting, phone system setting. So guys click here and guys click on reset option. Guys you can see guys mobile, click here guys mobile data setting reset. By reset setting please wait guys, network setting has been reset. So guys now guys you can use your mobile data without any problem. And guys after that guys if you have problem, so guys tell me on your phone model number in comment section. Okay friends, I will try to help you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.